Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I wanted to give you sunset vibes, honey. Just wanted to bring them all into this building and then send them out through my camera. So let's get right on to the video. Isn't my sister sweet? She went and made some popcorn and brought it for me. She cute or whatever. So to begin with, I started off by adding concealer as my base. I went for the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in C11. So I applied that on the lid and then just blended it in first. Why is my sister so loud? Can somebody please help her? She's talking to my mom and I feel like I'm part of the story. So I'm blending that out using my foundation brush. I think I might add just a little bit more up here because we really want that orange to be popping out the eye. Yeah. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do you know how crazy I sound right now talking to myself? My family must be just sitting there like, hey, who is this hobo in our house just talking to herself? Then for my transition color, going into the Morphe 3502 palette, I started off with this lovely bright orange right here and it's called Ablaze. And guys, I discovered that my crease is so weird because I have these very prominent large round eyes. It's a good and bad thing, but yeah, it's like it can be quite hard to find my crease sometimes because my eyes are prominent and they come outwards. If you look at my eyes from the side, they like come outwards, so it can be kind of hard to like find my crease. But I'm kind of like starting to see my shape. You know what, doing YouTube has actually taught me a lot. It's actually teaching me about like what looks good on me, what doesn't. And if you see my progress as well, even though like I've only been doing this a couple of months, I can see like my journey-ish, small, and I'm already cringing at some videos, which is not good because it's only been a couple of months, like I said, but it's good. Like I'm seeing the progress and I'm learning. So I'm enjoying this. Making sure that the orange is really like in there because we want this orange to show through, baby. So we're gonna add on top of that color this one here, which is called Brick. I love that color. So right into the crease, I'm gonna add Brick. It's such a deep color. Oh, girl, stop it. Yes, that's what we like to see. So now on the outer corner here, we're going to add this color right here, which is called Brunette. It's like a purpley brown. I think it's the darkest shade apart from the black, obviously. So we're gonna add that right to the corner and kind of blend it inwards and the top there, just into the crease, because later on when we cut the crease, we want this color to kind of show through. And then lastly, we're gonna add the black, and that's gonna be literally right at the corner. We don't want it to travel too far, literally just like here. Just to smoke it out. Just teensers, okay? And we don't have to worry about it too much because only a tiny bit of this black is gonna show anyway. So we're not gonna like hurt ourselves trying to make it happen. And then we're gonna blend it in with the other color that we put on before, but obviously you don't wanna blend it in too much because it will ruin everything. This thing best have been recording. Perfect. Anyway, we're gonna focus back on the black once we have all the other colors down. So now we're gonna move on to cutting the crease again. Again with the same concealer that I used earlier, I'm gonna use a very tiny detail brush to just make sure that the line is precise. We don't want no issues, you know? And my issue as well with my eyes is the fact that, okay, not as well, let me not say I have too many issues with my eyes because my eyes are beautiful. Thank you, Jesus. But I know eyebrows, eyes, they're sisters, not twins, I get it. But like sometimes I can have a cut crease on one eye and have a completely different situation taking place on the other. It's not even, I don't even know if I should call it a cut crease. I don't know which eye it is, but there's always an issue with one of the eyes. Just giving me so much stress, trying to ruin me. So now we have our cut crease. We're going to quickly lay down the colors because we don't want it to dry, and I'm not going to put any like setting powder on there because I want it to be wet so that the colors can stick on there as best as possible. So now we're going into the Magic palette by Juvia. I love this artwork, please. And then we're going to use this color right here, Juvia, which is a beautiful gold. It's so pretty. Look at this, please. Have you seen a yellower gold in your life? I had him up until this one, and it is gorgeous. So we're gonna pack that on in the first, I guess, like third of the eye, and then in the next one we're gonna add a different color, but yeah, we'll get to that later. That is a beautiful color. So on the remainder of the concealer that we still have on the eye, we're gonna add this beautiful orange right here, which is called Sauce. So now we're gonna go back into that black because obviously now that we know where the orange is, we want to meet it halfway. So while I'm here, I'm also gonna go into my lower lash line, and for that I will simply be using the same colors that I used on my crease, which is that one there, Blaze and also Brick, and I'll be applying that generously. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my eyeliner, and for that I'm gonna use this Gigi Hadid liquid eyeliner, and it's called East Coast. I apologize for like my positioning, but I need the mirror like in my nose for me to be able to do it correctly. Oi, Mr. Wing, please don't let me down. You know you can just tell your wing is about to play you, but I'm not having this. Okay, in my inner tear duct, I'm gonna use my usual Revolution Vivid Baked bronzer in the shade Rock On Wild, and it is usually my highlighter, so that's what I will be using as well for my inner tear duct area, because I didn't need it to be any brighter, really and truly. I just needed that part to just stand out in its own right. I just needed it to look pretty. And then I also added that highlighter right here on my brow bone. So now literally the last step is to add the lashes, and for the lashes I'll be using my Glamify Lashes, and these are the GC6 lashes, my favorite of them all. And that's literally all on the eyes, so that's finished. So now I'm gonna move on to the lips, and on my lips I'm gonna use like a red brown. I'm gonna match my dress basically. I'm using Lovebug, which is by Colourpop, and then I will also be lining it with Pitch by Colourpop, which is like their brown lip pencil. I haven't used Chestnut by MAC, but I would think it's of as much importance because I love it. Like ever since I bought it, it's been my go-to now. Then I'm just gonna go back into the ends because I really want that ombre look. Now you know I had to come to you with the biggest, most dramatic earrings. Basically, I got these beautiful African earrings from a lady. She sells things online and you can find her on Facebook. The page I think is called All Things African. and I will leave everything in the description bar just in case I didn't get any, just in case I didn't say it right or it's not the right thing, but I believe it is all things African. And you can buy all sorts of beautiful African jewelry. Like they have neck pieces. I really want one. I'm gonna save up to have one. They have beautiful earrings ranging in size and design, and she has purses, clothes, everything. Like you should really check her out, guys. She's really cool. If you're into African jewelry and you want to represent, you know, you should definitely check out her stuff. I don't know if she ships internationally, but you can always find out. It's worth a look, especially if you live in the UK. This is like a great investment. These were £10, I believe, and the prices vary from size to size and design and stuff. So yeah, I put these earrings on because I thought they're appropriate for the occasion. Thank you so much for tuning in once more. Thank you guys for liking my videos, for commenting. Like that is so appreciated. Like you guys don't understand the support that you guys give is really, really appreciated. And I appreciate each one of you subscribers, each one of you guys that keep coming back and helping me and supporting me in every way. Please do not forget to like the video. If you're new, do subscribe. Chick, what you waiting for? If you haven't hit subscribe by now, then it's not too late. And I will see you next time. I love you.
Pour water for my head.